Good morning, good morning, good morning. How are you guys? Hope you guys doing well. I'm doing well. Another week started. Monday back again. After 3 days of prison time. Finally, I'm free, but exhausted as usual. And hope we don't do silly thing today. Monday is always a critical day. If you see already they already came down to take out like previous day low. Previous day means Friday's low, what we were thinking on that day, but they didn't do it. Today they did it already. Pre-market means I would say in the London session they did it. So this is kind of London low. We are stuck in this area right now. The price action is so good in the morning, like early in the morning for me in London, but I don't trade and I'm so exhausted. I was sleeping. So we'll see like what we can do. I have to check it. I've got 4 minutes. Let me see what I can see. So the level we put it on that day, if you check it on a previous day or the day before as well, these levels we've been marking because we were expecting the price to come here, because we all, if you listen to my idea, last few videos, you can see that, I was looking for lower price first, and then maybe I'm long-term bullish, hopefully like they go up, but nothing is certain because lots of things happening. So these are the levels I already put it on that day. If you notice, if some of you following me, you guys already know that these are the things we already marked it long time ago. Okay, and they just came exactly to that gap. I was talking about one of the day, I've even forgot which day was that. Look, this little gap. So they came here and then they're rebounding. The question is that, is this going away? To me, I still think there are a little bit of lower. I want to see like this area, all this area I want to see. So these are 1 minute chart we trade from there, but we'll see what happened. So we got 4 hours saying they already created a gap here, okay? But there is no like a successful order block. I don't trust this kind of things as order block. But if you tell me, do they need to come up? I don't know if they're gonna come up all the way over there, but yeah, tiny bit up would be not bad. Sorry, my charts are like that. You have to get used to it, and I'm all right with this, but it's still now a little bit chaotic, but I have to fix it. So if you see, this is NQ, this is ES. So ES actually still didn't taken out previous day low here. So by thinking that, and then there is a gap is holding still now. Okay, so ES already traded the high of that 4-hour candle. Do I believe they will go all the way and then do that? They can do anything, but my expectation is to take out previous day low. Why I'm saying that? Look at this candle, how it will be if it is a bullish candle. I believe I want to tell myself that they will take out this low hopefully. So I already I have to mark it maybe, so in case if I don't forget. So this is the area, let's say I would want them to. So but I need to find a area where I can sell it. I've got 1 minute left. They're going up. I'm not unhappy about it. So but where they're going, I have to check it. Okay, because let me see quickly. So yeah, 4 hours, I think they did it. If they do tiny bit more here, I don't know, man. But we have to keep our option open, okay? Because we are short-term trader. We trade at least 1 hour candle or a 15 minutes candle. So 1 hour telling me lots of jiggy happening here. So when this kind of things happen, that means the trapping. So now they came to 830. I want them to go a little bit higher than this, and some stage I want them to give me something lower. So we'll check it back again. This is previous day low. I'm watching this one, is this level. I have to watch it. If they go up straight away like from here, then I don't have to think about remember further evidence. They can come up to yesterday's the Friday's opening price. So market is opening. I'm ready. I'm gonna trade with little bit smaller today, because then I'll build it up to straightforward the trading. So they already did it. See, whatever they do, let's see. So 9:30 open. They taken out the low and they look at the run. Crazy, man. I wanted them to come up. Yeah, they came up, and then I didn't wanted them to like straightforward fall. But they can do anything, you know. See, the area they already traded, now this low. So now what I'm expecting? Nothing. So I'm checking. How can you sell? Like, look at this candle, man. They went up before 9:30. 9:30 open, bang, 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 bang. They're falling. Now what are you gonna do? FOMO sell? It would be not a good idea. But they can go just bang, 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 bang. Nothing to stop them. Look at this run. Holy cow. They're taken out all this low now. Okay, done. Didn't have a chance to even enter. These people, man. You know, this run, if they did it, let's say this run after 9:30, I would have trusted it. So they came to just take out this high. So which is 8:30 high, which one they're taken, and then they're falling. This run is trustworthy. But the problem is that I couldn't even analyze it. Before that, they just bang, bang. Now they're taken out today's low. I don't know. I have to see now. Only things I can think of is like if ES has to go down. That is the only things I can think of. If ES has to go down, NQ will go down more. But ES got chance of taking it down. Let's see how ES react. Because ES is holding that. So now this is the first presented gap, let's say. So now they didn't even trade it. I can trade it direct sell, but you know, they already taken out the low. I mean, I cannot just believe it. They can easily manipulate us. Today I want to just see. I made some money in the Asian session in the morning, but I don't want to give up now because just to like silly trade. Because I came back from work and I was sitting down in front of the chart, and when you sit down, you feel like, you know what happened. So many account I lost it in Asian session. I said, I'll never ever trade in Asian session. Asian session is not good. But when you see move like, you know, at 8 o'clock, American time, they're falling like train. Let them do it. Let them take out all this low. It's got more chances of falling. Man, what a sell. I couldn't have, how can you sell like this? We are ICT trader. We don't do things like that. I could have just sell it, but now what? Waiting, man. Just checking. Yeah. Came there. Okay. So, yeah. Only things I can hope that, you know, they, yes, like let's say as well take the previous day low. That's the only things I can think of. Or if they, and I still believe that yes should do it. But believe is not a strategy. Okay, we'll do what they do. What they will do. So if they fall like 4 hours fall like that, they can extend around this area as well. Let's see how they trade. I have to little bit research because I'm so tired. And my head is like, you know, because I trade with like, you know, everything, considering everything. So I need to think. Okay, let me see. There is no point of unnecessary emotional decision. Let us analyze. Analyzing is 1 hour saying, okay. You have to find a way to sell it. That's it. So 15 minutes saying big candle. Let's see next candle if they give us opportunity. If they give us opportunity, because before that, look at this. Other day doesn't, first few minutes they just move, then they will consolidate for until 11. That's the point. I don't have any area I can sell. Okay, now they're coming up. Not bad. So this is a sign, that good sign of, like, if they come back, then if they create continuation, we'll see. So this one, let's see how they behave. If they create a gap here, but I really don't know what is that side right now. Is there anything? There is nothing there except this area on that day. It's like in 15 minutes there is a little gap here. I don't know if they traded already or not. Untraded gap. Okay, that one I can see. So let me see if I can see. No, they didn't come yet. Okay, perfect. So that's one things to consider. So I can target that area, but the problem is that I have to take permission from ES. So this low they already traded, I guess 74. Yeah, they already traded this low. Okay, so 29,042. Okay, perfect. Let's see. There is another low here. Which day was it? Okay, this big run. The gone high, which day was it? It was Monday and then Tuesday. Okay, so Tuesday just came. Yeah, this low is very much possible, because this one, they look, Monday open, bang. Tuesday not that much retracement, bang. Wednesday gone there and then couldn't do anything. Thursday they were gyrating. Okay, perfect. Okay, yeah, I have to be careful here. So these are the area can be the turning point if they have to do something. Okay, so let me see. I know it's not productive, but this is what it is. What it is. I cannot just unnecessarily take a trade like that. Only I can believe that ES will take down and they will come around here. Yo man, yo. Sorry man, I cannot do it. This one came down, I could have done it, but the thing is that it's too risky, too risky. This kind of move, I don't know what to say. Only one thing I can see, that I can blindly buy it from this kind of area. But then ES will already take down. ES still has to give down. Yeah, give it up, give it up. ES didn't give up. Let's see this kind of area, what they do. 46, let's say this area I'm observing. Okay, 29,000, 40, 46, 40, like that kind of area I'm observing. Okay, this kind of area, if they come to this, risky to buy. We got 40 coming, 940. Where is my watch? My watch, man, where is my watch? Okay, yeah, 939. Perfecto. I'm trying to do a little quick buy from this kind of level. Okay, if they can give me sign. Other than that, I'm just watching telly. So now okay, 15 minutes given us something here, and then the low is there. I think they'll give us a little bounce here, somewhere around here, hopefully. But why this one bouncing from there? Should not do that. Yeah, come here. 46, but this candle I don't trust it. Next candle maybe. They came to the midpoint of these things, man. They came to the midpoint, man. Now what are you gonna do? Don't go away, man. Just don't say you're going from 52. I like the next candle if they did it. Like it would be just to get a little retracement. But this one is not trustworthy because ES didn't take out even 2 days low, let's say. ES didn't take out 2 days low even. So still downside to it. But I don't know where to sell it from. You can sell it from this kind of area, but nah, it's like where I'm gonna put my stop loss. That's the question. Maybe this high. No, I don't know, man. Don't know what to do it. Too big candle. One 15 minutes candle is freaking 200 points. Do you get me? Like it's like 50, 60, 70 points or 200 points the candle is like too much to trade, man. I don't know where I'm gonna put my stop. I have to trade with one little micro. Only thinking that ES will take the low. Nothing else we can do. Within 3 minutes, our next 15 minutes candle will be opening. If they go down like this, so it be. I don't even know what levels are there. Seriously. They can just smash down because it's like so many things gonna happen this week, okay? So like a very, how big it can be, I don't know. This Monday normally, sometimes, remember previously, every week Monday used to be like big move. Look, they now came to but it's so volatile. I cannot trust it to buy it. But these are the area I should be But this candle I don't trust it like that much. Look at this, very volatile. So be careful, One little candle can just destroy us. 33. So if they do like that, another little down should be there, yeah. So yeah, 27. They can go to even 0. Just taking a bounce little bit. I don't know what the hell it did. Okay. I don't know why. Instead of buying, you sell, yeah. Yeah. Selling is the best option, right? But I think there is a little bounce gonna happen for a while. I don't know how far. But better not to get involved at all with these things. Yeah, like this kind of bounce, like you have to come out quickly. Otherwise they will destroy us. I have to see where are they going. So this candle, let's say another 1 minute left, they're gonna open up. This 15 minutes candle didn't had no what is it called, retracement. So question is how far it can go. So okay, 92 they came. My goodness, what a volatility, man. Daily inversion is here. This level is important as well, 52. Okay, this kind of area, I mean, it's falling knife, yeah. If anybody try to catch it, it'll get burned. but opportunities are there if you are quick. $80, 70, yeah, 70. There is another 50, 40, something like that. It will be interesting. Daily level is here. ES now taken out previous day's low. So yeah, still now there are opportunities. So our next 15 minutes candle started here. Are they gonna further fall or they gonna retrace back? Little bit. That's the question. Okay. So if they retrace back, how far they can retrace back? They cannot. They can further fall. It's only ES can help us. If the ES they taken out previous day low, when ES will stop? That's the question. Okay. 60, 67, 67. Next stop can be 28,050, 950. Okay. That is the level. They can just next one can be 46. Like there is a daily level they already came. Okay, so this is the area I really didn't wanted them to, they can come look up to there. I told you, like, but the today's Monday range is that big. Is not, do you understand? It's not like that good, man. Whatever you took it can come out here maybe fast with this bounce. I have to take something. Another one out. Another one out. That's it, done. Look, level trading, yeah. Look, one, another 100 points. Okay, so this one I'm saying, like, so if you know the levels, where are they, so you can have confidence to buy it. I know I should not show you this kind of things. You should not buy it at all. I do it because I want to just, but this is the area I would be already cautious. Okay, because why I did it, because ES taken out previous day low as well. There is a bounce. Look at this candle, man. Don't you think they should deserve like a little bit of respect for the people? Look, already 60, 70 point high, 70 point up, like 60 points almost. Yeah, 60 points up here. So what happened now? Just don't worry, come out. So only thinking about this area was why I did it. I had the confidence because ES taken out previous day low. So I mean, there is a, after that much fall, there is a bounce, expected. Okay, and why I did it, there is a, I don't need to justify to anybody. This is, I like to buy it. Look at this. You're not gonna buy it from this inversion, top of that daily level. How big the candle is? You think they will go today here? They can do it, yeah. But do you understand, like, how this is now a area lots of people will enter, and this is the entry I can re-enter if I came out here. But where will be my stop loss? I don't know. Look at this bounce. Enjoy now, run. I came out. But did I make money? Yes. But did I kept my trade? No. That's what my problem is, But I'm gonna learn and have confidence slowly. So this is the gap. Lots of people will take trade, but this is, to me, is to me is not that nice anymore, because today is like falling like that. I cannot trust it only because he has taken out the low. Now to be bullish, it need to create setup. How they will be set up? They will have to create some kind of a higher time frame order block, these kind of things, So now the question is the next candle, how they will be. So this candle 4 hours is are they gonna go up? This is today's my first area already been done. Okay, so they now showed lots of bearishness, different places. They didn't respect nothing. But today is only Monday. Do I believe in that? Monday they're setting up the range. how they moving today? They're doing a statement. So then tomorrow, day after, we got lots of chances to, if you are bullish, look, tomorrow we have, tomorrow I don't know, but Wednesday we got big news. Wednesday there will be, NVIDIA earning coming. Then Jackson Hole will start. There are lots of things is coming, So opportunities are there. Okay, so now sit down and enjoy. So on this bounce I made 300. So isn't it enough? Done. So if you have something to do, I forgot to trade with my trader. Sorry, the Lucid. Lucid as well. I made some money in the morning, but then how many you can trade, man? This one still didn't finish though. Still didn't finish though. These are the area. Do I believe that this from there they're now bouncing back? Not really. I'm thinking still now there are lower side to it for a while. I'm thinking about, if you see, because ES didn't, remember, only the idea was the ES didn't take out. Look, now ES, what ES did, look. So now check the ES daily, let's say. Everything we want to use logic, I want to use logic because there is no point of trading like pattern trading, I don't like it to do pattern trading. So let's say now they've taken out this low. Do I believe this candle will go there? Not really. So where is my next area I'm interested in? Look, I have one area there. I don't know why I marked it, but there is area. But then where is our breaker block from this daily chart? So look, this high, low, and then this one created lower high, and then they taken out this liquidity, yeah, and then they gone high. So this area is important. This one is important as well to me. So these are the area. These two high, they need to come here. So what is around there? Our daily, this one, 29. Okay, so let's add a little alert so that we know that if they come here, they will do a ting. So these are the area. Tomorrow, day after, they can come, and then from there, if they find some kind of a catalyst, I don't know what the hell is, the news, I think, or some kind of a vibe, then they might go up. Might, I'm saying, because look, now what they did, they inverted the market structure shift, they created gap, they didn't traded the gap, but they're falling. Do you understand? This is this created a setup, but in the meantime, if you say, what about NQ? NQ is all just going down from where? From the middle of the range. And then do you think this is a completely bearish? Then they will go down here. Up to now, I don't believe it. I'll believe it later on maybe. Now I have to think about if they can give us a buying opportunity, because even this range to this range, even not even 50% this one, yeah. We are looking for further evidence. Now they came to this daily level. From here, I might look for a little short-term buy, but I don't know. I'm just checking, okay? Because you need courage to do that. Buying from here is more, I would like it for a while, not indefinitely, yeah? Because Monday, they already created a big range. They already created a big gap. From here, if they create a setup, that setup is look, this one didn't work. Do you see? So now if they created a setup, it can work. Look, this one already a little order block they created. I don't know if they're gonna support it or not. This one. So this low, you can think about it. But I don't trade like that, because I trade from the level. So ES is still bullish, okay? So not bullish, they created a nice bullish setup. I don't know how they're gonna do that, but NQ as well created this. This one will be a, let's say if you thinking about, let's say something, this can be a little order block. This is our fast order block, okay? Why I consider this kind of area? Because this is a good level. From the good level, I normally like the fast candle. I don't use series of candle, but the actual trade should be series of candle close and that one. Even if you believe that on next candle, if you open it up from there, you trade. This is, I didn't practice it. I'm gonna practice it very soon. Okay. Even you put in the rejection block 24 points, you already 1-to-1. Do you understand? These kind of things, you have to have the courage to take this kind of trade. Level trading. Not level. This one is a kind of confirmation trading. Only what it can stop us. This can easily go to, what is it called? Our first gap here. So, I mean, you can hope for it. But hope is not a strategy, remember, yeah? So this is our idea, let's say. It's already 1 to 1.5 already, yeah? It already reached to there. So let's say. So if they look at this run. So at rejection block even, if you come out, is 1 to 5, let's say, here. But there is more or less they can come easily. Look, now they're already there. Maybe, not yet. They will, maybe. Oh, not yet. But come out. Who cares? But they should go to the rejection point at least. Hopefully. Because of this, you will not be able to see things. Okay, let's say they created a gap here already, yeah? They created a gap here. Now question is that first they will take out this high without trading this one, and they come back risky. Then I don't trust this one anymore. But look, already our target, I think, done maybe. So if you think I want to like a quickly, my risk to reward should be done quickly, just make it small. I don't know. It's just I'm saying, I'm joking. But this kind of trade is like lots of people is scared to take it. It's not gonna work like a home run, but at least something. Look, already rejection block. This trade is done. 1.1.5. Okay. So that's what I'm saying. This kind of trade, I'm gonna do it very soon. So this one, there is no point of anything at all. All right. So are they coming here? This fast presented gap? Oh no, this is not a fast presented gap, man. Fast presented gap is there. Holy cow. But this one now can have a good run. Old-fashioned run. Because they've taken out previous day low ES and now NQ. Let's see what they do. Just waiting for silver bullet. But silver bullet could be today disaster. I don't know, man. So they now inside this. Look, if you go to daily, they are inside this one. You know, this gap. So they just traded. This is a reaction. Do you understand? They did like a little retracement kind of things. So now there is a gap here. Remember, this one we consider it as an order block. So if we believe that one and come out in rejection block without any hesitation, like just to like take the trade and put your stop loss. Only one problem is that we think that what if it doesn't work? What if it doesn't work means then we get a stop out. What can we do? And if we get a stop out, 20 points you're risking to get, let's say, 40. I mean, just get a stop out. So now they traded, what is it called? This inversion gap. Look. They traded this one now. Okay. So am I sad about it? They didn't come here to trade the other gap? Not really. This is 1 minute gap. 1 minute T. So this is 1 minute gap, let's say. So now what happened? So there is another gap here. So they're leaving it, which telling me that they will come back later on to hunt us. Look, this one. Do you understand? So this one they didn't trade it. So they basically traded from the top of the other one. So now they created continuation. This one, they already closed down on the series of candle. This one is a propulsion block, kind of. But will they propel from here or not? So now if they come down back again, which will consider it as like a liquidity taken maybe. I'm not sure. I'm just talking to myself. Okay. So let's go to 15 minutes. So this is the retracement they're doing. 10 a.m. So then now we have to check the 4 hours. Huh? So 4 hour closed like that. Now what are you expecting? Either they just fall, or they now one thing we are expecting right now. They have to do either retracement to rebalance or create a gap. Do you understand the logic now? That's it. So now what do I expect? Go down and take out liquidity or retracement? I would say better to be retracing, isn't it? But do I want to take trade like that? Not really. There are chances of retracing rather than keeping a big gap like that. Or if they come down, where do they have any liquidity? Liquidity is down there, I would say, or maybe down here. I mean, do I believe they're not gonna come? They can do anything. I'm observing them, watching them carefully. Do you understand? So this area, let's say, they already traded, isn't it? 7, yeah. So they traded already 6, 7, 60, 960, 960, 960. Where is 960? They traded around this area. So now even this one they traded 45, sorry. So now got left 30, 930, 930. I think they traded already, no? 939. They didn't, sorry. This one is still left 933. But this one deserves like a retracement to me. Retracement is due, man. So now they traded that little gap. We already said it on the top of that. Now will they create a continuation? That is a A++ setup. Look at this. Now they did it, isn't it? Liking it, man. The price action is good. Now today is nice. I don't know why. But if we wait for like a confirmation setup, this kind of the price action is not that good. Look at this. They gone there. They didn't create a continuation. This one is actually lots of people will tell us to take the trade from here, put our stop loss here, isn't it? Remember? Everybody will say, oh, they did a closure on the top of this series of candle, you know. So what is that? As soon as they close, our trade should be from here. This is the guru trader. You know, I'm not saying it's my trade. Okay, I don't trade like that. Sorry for that. People can do it. 86 points. Your stop loss should be there, and your target should be in the sky. You understand? They trade like that. Your target will be here. Can they go? Definitely they can go. But do I need to take retracement like 20 points, 30 points retracement? I cannot do that. I'm a short-term trader. I'm a scalper. I scalp the market. I just take my money. I run away. You know, that kind of thing. Look at this. What could happen? So, do you understand why I don't trade like that? Look at the retracement would have happened if you'd taken that long. Already 60 points you would have lose. So your 80 points, how many days it will take to recover it? I know if you get a 1 to 2 trade like this, you'll recover it. But I mean, seriously, do I need to wait like this kind of trade? Not really. I need only few points, you know, to pass my funded account. Like to pass a 50K account, let's say, every day in a month, let's say, I want to pass it. I was thinking like, you know, why are we rushing? To pass a 50K account, we need 150 a day, let's say. Isn't it? I don't know if the calculation is right. Let me see. Let me do a little calculation. So 150 a day, let's say 20 days in a month, let's say, yeah, 3,000. Okay. So normally what happened, like 22, 23 days in a month of trading, sometimes 22, sometimes 23, I don't know, maybe roughly. If you make, let's say 200 a day, easily we can pass it within few days. So 3,000, let's say our target, divided by, let's say 200. 15 days we can pass it. So 15 trading days means like 3 weeks. 3 weeks you're making 3,000. So then next 3 weeks if you make 3,000, so what happened? You actually get your salary, but we cannot do that. Most of us, we are failing. That is the only things we cannot do. Do you understand where is our problem is? I'm struggling over there. That I was good, but I did forget about me because I ruined my little bit of my psychology in the middle because of bad friends and things like that. But that is completely different because I'm not saying I could have done it with my previous capability, let's say. So I had some toxic friend in the middle who actually because of them I had some bad I created some bad memory. ICT call it like scar tissue. So those scar tissue still there. And I'm just trying to regain my confidence. That's what I'm doing. Okay. But I'm saying for a normal people who started right now, is it difficult for you to do $200 a day? And then, or maybe you thinking that, 200 is not enough for me. I want to be millionaire. Then enjoy your journey, brother. If you want to be millionaire so quickly, enjoy your journey. I don't have nothing to say. If you cannot do slowly, you cannot do it quickly. That's that one I can tell you, even guarantee you, boss. Do you understand? If you can do slowly, you can build it up. You can make 20, 30, 40 accounts, 60 accounts, 100 accounts, whatever it is. Then maybe if you say I want to be millionaire, I will trust you. I'll believe in you. So that's what I'm saying. So either we are taking it too quickly, fast, to just achieve something quickly, but we are not happy like with $200, $300, which is like a salary, I cannot do it. I'm saying to you, I'm being honest. Look, this 1 minute gap is still holding now. It's became inversion, but do I trust it yet? Not really. But that trade, how problematic was it? But the trade, I took it from the level, quickly, just quickly. This one, I told you, quickly. It taken out liquidity, reached to a higher time frame area, created a little order block. Don't wait for the big one. I mean, it can fail from there. But what is the chance of going to the rejection block? I've seen like maybe more time than it failing. Do you understand? I've seen more, because look at the amount of amount of fall it did. This market is very efficiently done. Do you understand? They fall, but they fall a certain level, I think. One of the guy, in YouTube, I was watching him. I don't know if from him, I actually came and know about ICT, truly speaking. So he used to say, he used to teach Forex, So he used to say that this market got a range, So like a ATR, ADR, like those kind of things. So after a certain period, they made some agreement that they will not let the market fall a certain stage. Some point they will intervene or something like that. I'm not sure 100%. Just this is your job to research. Okay, I'm just saying my opinion. So when they fall, there is a place where they rebound as well. Okay, they don't just fall like a sharp, like they do it once a year or maybe twice a year. Other than that, they've always follow things. Anyways, I'm itching to do live streaming, but I don't have the setup yet. When my setup comes, then I'll do it. But I don't know if I'm gonna do it very recently or not, because I have to buy the PC. But I'm going for a long holiday in November, so I'm not sure that if I'm gonna buy it now and leave my expensive setup in the house. What if somebody rob me? So yeah. Not rob, actually, steal. So now 10 past 10. Okay. So what we are expecting? So this 4 hours is still falling. What can I do? Can I do anything about it? Not really. Okay, let me see. So this one they've taken out. Now this low left, yeah, 30. Let me mark it. This is the area. Oh, this is 1 hour, sorry. Everything is red. I have to change my color, man. For a while I used to use always this color. Now I became red. Okay, this is 4 hours. 4 hours they came down. This is one of the 4 hours low. Okay. Let's see how they trade. You know why I was saying that I'm still looking for a little bit lower price because of the ESS monthly. Like this one. So I don't want to tell myself to believe that this will be a big red candle and they will come here. So I want to tell myself to believe that, you know, these things can stay like that, and I've got another month or something, at least another candle, you know, bullish. Then maybe, I don't know. But if this one become like a bearish like that, I don't know what it's gonna be. The chart will look. But in the meantime as well, they left, look, trend line liquidity here. But this month to come here, yeah, they can do it actually. So 1, 2, and this candle just went up and down. I never seen it like that, you know. Nowhere you'll see something like that. If you see it, please let me know. That they did 2 candle and then the 1 candle gone high and then that gone down. Let's say like this swing point. It's not a swing point, but like a something like this, and then they gone high and then that candle came down and crashed it. I went back. I couldn't see any evidence of that. Today is so tiring, man. I don't know. Look at this. Every day same move, isn't it? Remember? Sorry, not this one. Let me go to NQ. Look. So in the beginning, bang bang move, and then after that, what happened? They stay in a area. What time was it? 40. From 45 they started. Now is already half an hour gone, and we are still stuck. So now if you try to sell it, they will go up. If you try to buy it, so now we have to wait. Today Monday's trade. So yeah, this one we are talking about. Okay. So then if I go weekly, this is NQ's chart. Forget about all my drawing, man. Okay, now looks a little bit better than before. So now this candle, you know, they reach to a weekly gap as well, you know. So this is the one. So I mean, they should be done and then go higher if they want to be bullish. Everything is ugly, isn't it? So now they came here. This is a weekly, you know, they already traded 50% of this. And this is the one of the weekly level. They came here. So yeah, inversion, this gap, untraded gap. Yeah, I've got it marked, I think, somewhere. I don't know. This daily is an untraded gap. I'm not expecting today, tomorrow maybe, or day after. Today, I want them to go inside, back inside, man. Look at this, you know, if you try to sell it from there, they would have done to you. Okay, let's bring back our crazy stuff. So like, I think, I don't know if I'm gonna trade or I'm gonna tell anything today, because this one looks like, you know, today's Monday normally is a risky day. I mean, always a risky day for me. I would rather do something else, you know, today. I don't think I'm gonna do anything, because, you know, it's gonna make a range today. So already created the whole day. Look, from here it fell like train. So this one created look, exactly 8 o'clock. I traded here, man. yesterday night, and then I came out somewhere there. Here I came out, this gap. There I came out, and then after that I didn't trade. Think about my trade if I just kept it. Those kind of trade would be fun, man. Yeah, that one is a nice trade. Like, only understanding that they will do something downside, but I didn't expect them to go that deep inside today. I was feeling that they will take out, overnight they will take out the previous day low. That one lots of time happen on a Monday. They open and then they take out previous. Let's say why it will take out one of this side, because the Friday was an inside day, if you remember it. Look, Friday was an inside day. Look, didn't take out the previous day high, previous day low. So when there is a inside day, next day is because they were supposed to, Friday they were supposed to give this move until there, and they didn't do it. So today this move came. So this move was, I saw it lots of time, but can I trust it? I should trust it, but I told you I'm building things up, so it will take some time, okay, to trust this kind of setup. So yeah, so this is in a nutshell. I can say these things, and then I have to I think I have to go, because I don't have nothing to say, because if I talk now, the video will be unnecessarily big and I cannot show you trade. I showed you one trade, which one I took it already. This going up, I know is like a risky trade. I'm not telling you to take it, okay? But this one, I said it is not that risky, okay? Look, order block. As soon as they created the order block, next candle we have to enter 24 to 20 points stop loss, and then to take out like this side or the rejection block out, and then the money made. This one was I would take this trade every day. You understand? Because this is because that time ES taken out the. This one was ES taken out the daily low, and here they created SMT with ES. Do you get me? So that's the only things I can say. No other explanation. Only explanation is first time they didn't come to the daily level. Second time they came to the daily level and took out the first time's low, and it was in a macro time. So macro time, if they take liquidity, they go to the other side. That's what they do. So I mean, I don't know. I don't trade macro. I'm just saying it. Idea. So I think today. I don't want to get involved anymore. I'll come back tomorrow, day after. Lots of things gonna happen. This week is very, very eventful. Okay, so after Nvidia earning, we'll get a market direction for sure. Hopefully, and we have to watch everything, because lots of things happening right now. Lots of things happening. Gold going high. Bitcoin went to the moon again. Then treasury going up and down, So today they fell, but still the stock market fell. Do you understand? So treasury is little bit this one, because US treasury market, what is it called? This guy's name, Treasury Secretary. So he announced to purchase more of this long-term what is it called, bond. So normally they were buying it like 2 billions. Now they're buying 4 billions. That's why these things are still under control. So can he manage to do these things again and again? US buying loan from US. Think about it. It's so funny, nah? It's interesting, yeah. It's an interesting world, man. I'm giving myself money. What a fun. So yeah, that's the thing. That's why these things is still holding, but people still didn't trusted them yet. Now today, I think there is a big news coming, so we have to be careful later on. They are taking action against Iran. Like they will do something, I think. They will put economic measure on them. They called it something I don't know what they call it. They called it like economic D-Day. If somebody know about British history, so you should know about D-Day. So like, yeah, look for it, check it when he talk, this guy is gonna talk at 12:50, I guess, around the lunchtime. Is it lunchtime? 12:50. Is it today? Yeah, today. 8:30, 11:30. Yeah, 12:50, around the lunchtime. So evening, afternoon will be interesting. Okay, so this guy will talk around 1 o'clock, let's say. So 1 o'clock he will talk. Basin, stock Basin. What is his name? I even forgot. Yeah, Basin, I think, something like that. So US Treasury Secretary speaks on Iran. Very tentative news. Okay, so be careful. This one. So lunchtime. So and I don't think so I'm gonna trade today. So I'm gonna see what he say and how the people react. Okay. By saying this thing, I can trade from here and there, but I don't want to do that today. I have to go out because I'm not feeling 100%. But it's gonna start raining very soon in the UK, so I cannot even enjoy my sunshine anymore. So I have to go and get some sunshine. Okay. You guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you again when I talk to you. Okay. And if you have any question, if you like our stream, not stream like the recording, hopefully I'll be doing some lives. I told you my goals and everything. I gave you some like directional idea how I think. So if you like it, you have to know more things, ask question. Okay, get involved. I mean, it's not gonna hurt you. Okay, so we can build something up, and hopefully, I mean, one day we'll create a community which one will help each other, and I'll try to help you guys, and you can help me. So that's how we can be friends, and that's the only plan. Okay, so I'll leave you today, and I'm gonna talk to you again tomorrow, hopefully. Okay, enjoy your time. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.